lit feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar, how you get.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing sort of an unboxing video. Sort of. What I mean by sort of is my address was like all over the envelope of it, so I couldn't really show it to you guys, but I took it out of the, what's it called, of the envelope, and I'm going to unbox it from this little bubble wrap thing. So I'm going to actually show you guys this vintage item that I purchased on eBay. I got a really good deal on it, and I'm super excited to show it to you guys, as well as let you guys know how to clean stuff that is, you know, maybe vintage and maybe a little bit dinged up a little bit. So I actually don't know how this is going to turn out, because from the ad on eBay and the pictures, it's a little bit on the dirty side. Like, I'll show you guys in a second what it is and I'll explain, but it does have like a lighter canvas to it, so I'm not really sure if they professionally cleaned it or if I'm gonna have to clean it. We'll see. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload, and I upload twice a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. So let's get started, shall we? So this is a Louis Vuitton key holder. I've always wanted one, and I've always wanted one in the multicolor pattern, but this pattern is discontinued, if you guys didn't know. So it's really hard to find stuff in this pattern that's like actually in good condition, and I wanted it to match my Insolite wallet, because my Insolite wallet has like a lavender interior. Oh girl, I'm so excited. Okay, so I paid probably like, it was a bid, okay? It was an auction, and I was like bidding like crazy, and I think I paid like probably between 120 Canadian to 130 Canadian. So the original retail price for this, I want to say, is around 350 Canadian. So I got a really good deal on it. It did not come with a dust bag, and yeah, I need to clean it up a little bit on the outside, but I mean, it's in pretty good condition, as I can tell. Like the Louis Vuitton button there, the gold is not tarnished or anything. It does have a little bit of wear on it, but it's not like completely destroyed. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, it's actually cleaner than I was expecting it to be. Well, that's good. So this is what the inside looks like. I'm gonna definitely have to wash my keys before putting it in here, but I am going to try and clean up a little bit on the outside as well as a little bit on the inside, and I'll show you guys how I do that. So yeah, I mean, it's in pretty good condition. So this is made in France, and it is the purple or the lavender canvas material. So I feel like this canvas material, the one that's like grained, is a lot easier to clean than their just smooth leather type material, if that makes sense. So honestly, the wear on the outside, the actual like outside of it is not horrible. Like, it's not a horrible amount of wear. Like this part right here, you can see how it's supposed to look like it's very just, you know, this part is pretty much brand new on the inside because it's covered all the time, but the outside has wear on it, but it's not anything significant. Like, it doesn't look like it's super old and that I've had it for a really long time or anything like that. It does have a little bit of fading on the monogram, but it's nothing too drastic. Like I said, it's in pretty good condition, I want to say. I feel like one side has less wear than the other. Maybe she had it in like her purse upside down like that, and then this part was like rubbing against stuff. I feel like that's maybe what happened, but one side has a little more wear than the other. I had a really good deal on this, and I'm really excited to put my keys in here. I'm gonna be washing all my keys before I put it in here. I just really hope that my fob and everything fits, because my car fob is pretty big. So I've seen people with like Mercedes fobs and everything fit perfectly in here. So I drive a Mitsubishi. It's a little bit thicker of a fob, but I mean, we'll see later on if that works. But I am super excited for this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm really excited. So I'm gonna jump into the part where I clean it and show you guys before and after. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my like new Louis Vuitton reveal, I guess, and my latest eBay purchase. So I will actually link you guys the seller down below because I had a really good experience with them. I did purchase this from Japan. Again, I buy a lot of my Louis Vuitton and like my vintage items, consigned items and stuff on eBay through Japanese consignment shops because I feel like they have really good deals and everything that I've bought so far has been authentic. So I will link you guys their username down below. They have really, really nice items like the Louis Vuitton, what is it called? It's the bag that I have too, the Luminous PM. I love that bag, and that bag was super pricey back like when they actually sold it before they discontinued it from the Louis Vuitton store, but they have that bag for like such a great deal on there. Everything is bid though, so if you're not into bidding on things then you probably won't like it. But anyways, regardless, I'll link them down below because I did have a really good experience with them. And yeah, I will go ahead and cut into the part where I clean this and put my keys inside and whatever. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Bye everyone. This is what the wallet looks like up close. So it's in actually really good condition. It does have a little bit of wear right here on the canvas a little bit, but for the most part it is in pretty good condition. So as I open it up, like this part right here, as I was talking about, like it's in almost perfect condition. So the inside, it does have a little bit of dirt, as you guys can see. Maybe it's from, like, of course it's going to be from the keys that were in here already. So how I'm going to clean it is I have these baby wipes right here. These are just the cheap ones from Walmart, and they are alcohol free. Make sure if you're cleaning stuff like this, make sure that it's alcohol free. So I'm going to go ahead and take one. Okay, so I'm just going to first start off with cleaning the back canvas here. Alright, so for the inside I'm going to start off right here. It seems to be where the most amount of dirt is. Okay guys, so this is after like, I don't know, less than 5 minutes of scrubbing. It's in pretty good condition already. This is just like indented into the leather, so I don't think I'm gonna get that out. And most of this dirt right here is from this part right here, like the brass, just like the brass part on the key holder. So I mean, I did get some dirt off. I don't know if you can even tell on my makeup, or my makeup wipe, on my baby wipe. I did get a little bit of dirt off, and I got a little bit off on the back of here. So that's as clean as it's gonna get, and it's in, like I said, really good condition. So it will probably get a lot dirtier when I put my keys in here and use it for a while. It's gonna get definitely more dirty, and I'm gonna have to clean it again because of this, you know, purple lavender canvas. But as far as like the brass and everything on the hardware, it's just super shiny already. So that's how I clean my Louis Vuitton key holder. So if you guys were wondering if you have maybe like the rose ballerine, or maybe if you have a similar like lighter canvas on the inside of yours, that's pretty much how I clean mine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Bye, everyone.
Certainty, and this ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit when I'm in the zone. This is why I've been saying no new